Another important component of mental well-being is social health. As children grow, they naturally are going to gravitate more towards their peers as they become more important in their life. This is normal and a healthy part of development, but you still have a role as a parent to guide them through healthy relationships and knowing how to navigate that. Connection is still very important to tweens, and making sure that you have that family time, whether it's dinner time or doing fun activities together, it's still really important to your tween, even as they start pulling away a little bit. You can also help your tween build some of those social skills. You might need to coach them a little bit on things like eye contact, putting down devices when they're speaking to somebody, and even learning how to disagree politely. These are all important skills that they will need to use throughout the rest of their life. And you can help them by coaching through mistakes and challenges that they face. Maybe they had a bad conversation with a friend and they don't like the way that ended. That's your opportunity to ask them what went well, what could they improve, so that they can learn from those experiences and build upon those skills. There's also ways that you can talk to your tween that is more likely to elicit positive responses. For example, think about when your tween is feeling most comfortable. Often meal times or a car ride are a great time to have a conversation with your tween. Also, be patient and become comfortable with silence. A lot of times tweens need a little more time to process and think about what they want to say, and they're more likely to open up if you just wait patiently and allow for a little bit of silence. Another suggestion is to change the way you ask questions. So instead of saying, "How was your day?" use phrases like "tell me about" or "describe," and that can help elicit a deeper response than them just telling you their day was fine. Some tips of things you want to avoid when you're having conversations with your tween. Things like saying, "Why did you do that? What's wrong with you? Don't you ever listen?" These are things that come across as combative and shut down the conversation for your tween. They are still learning and growing, and they're going to make mistakes as they do that. So think of your role as a coach to help improve and help them grow towards their potential.